Hello and welcome back to my channel, Willett's World. As you can see, I'm standing outside Chiang Mai's railway station, and I've already done a video on the station, but this video is all about taking a sleeper train down to Bangkok. In fact, I'm actually getting off at Ayutthaya. The fun bit of this trip is actually that I'm taking my motorbike, and I arrived at the parcel office here this morning really early, about 10 o'clock, and booked it all into the system and got all the paperwork done, only to then be told that my motorbike would be on a different train, an earlier train than the one that I'm getting. So the train that I'm getting is train number 14, I think, which leaves here at 5 o'clock in the evening, and I think it gets in around 5 a.m. in Ayutthaya. And the train that the bike's going on is train, let me just remember, 52, and that one leaves at 3:30 here, and it's supposed to arrive into Ayutthaya at about 4 o'clock in the morning. So hopefully my motorbike will be waiting for me when I get off the train at Ayutthaya. Let's fingers crossed. But anyway, all the paperwork was done. I've got the bike is about 300cc, so you pay based on the bike's engine size, weight, and also the distance that it's been put on the train for. Plus, I paid an extra 250 baht for it to be wrapped in bubble wrap. I'm just hoping that they don't actually damage the bike when they're doing the bubble wrapping. To kind of defeats the object, but so I think all in all I paid about 1950 baht. As I said, 250 baht of that is the bubble wrap, so all in without the bubble wrap it's around about 1700 baht, so it's not too bad because it saves me driving all the way down, which is a good 2 solid days on the bike, because I can't do many kilometers on the bike these days. It hurts my bottom, so I would need at least one hotel on the way and another hotel once I get to Ayutthaya. The reason why I'm going to Ayutthaya, or getting off at Ayutthaya, is because if I went all the way to the new station, I put the name of the new station at the bottom of the screen, in Bangkok, is that new station is actually elevated, which means that it's very difficult to get the bike down from the station onto ground level. I think you have to wait until the cargo carriage is taken off the train, and then I think it goes to a smaller, older station called Bang Sue Junction, and then you can go and collect your bike. So I don't know how long that takes. So that's why I'm getting off at Ayutthaya, as well as the bikes going to Ayutthaya, is to get the bike as soon as I arrive, hopefully, as I said. Fingers crossed. So let's just see what happens. And also this morning they were doing some filming. I'll show some video of that. It's all gone back to normal now, but I couldn't do much filming myself because it was very busy here with all camera crews and actors, extras, just simply walking out of the station. They were doing something, I don't know what they were doing, but that's what they were filming. So this is the Parcels Office, where you should drop off your motorbikes, and it's on the road that goes down the side of Chiang Mai railway station. It's actually into gate number 2 here. So while I'm here waiting for my train, because I've got hours to kill, I thought I'll just show you a little bit of the station here in Chiang Mai. We've got two diesel locomotives here. These are called Ultraman, and I think they're Chinese built, and they're very new. I think they only arrived into the country late last year, so they're slowly phasing out the old locos and I think replacing them with these. So these are the main platforms here, and then just over the other side in that building there is the Parcels Office, where I've just left the bike. So this is train 52 that departs at 3:30, and this hopefully is the train that my bike is going on. I have a feeling that they're still loading it onto the cargo carriage, but we'll take a look and see if they've actually put the cargo carriage onto this train by just walking down here. The other thing I forgot to say to you was I've got a top box, storage box on top of my bike on a rack, and you're not allowed to put those on the train, on the cargo carriage. So I had to take it off, and I just left it in like baggage storeroom. Cost me 40 baht to leave it there instead of carrying it around all day. As I say, I got to the station here at about 10 o'clock this morning, really early, just to be sure that I can get the motorbike onto the train. Hope you can hear me, it's very noisy. And it turns out that was the right move. Okay, so right at the front here, this looks like this blue and white carriage with all the boxes. I think this is the one that's got the cargo. So let's see if my bike is already on it. Looks like they're loading another bike just now. Let's see. So we've got two bikes here. And they've got another big one there. Can't see mine anyway. And they're just loading another one on. Just going to see where my bike is, because it's not here at the moment. Oh, there it is. I've just seen it. It's right at the front. There it is. There's my bike with a bit of bubble wrap on it. And it's on the centre stand as well, which is good. Okay, so at least the bike is on the train, and it looks pretty secured up. So hopefully next time I see it will be at Ayutthaya. So I can rest easy at least until about 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, which is some way off, because it's you can see the clock there, it's only 2:45. So I've still got more than 2 hours to wait until my train goes, and then another 12 hours after that before hopefully I'm reunited with my motorbike. So the train on the right hand side of the screen is the train 52. That's the one that the bike's on, and I'm guessing that this is my train, train 14. So I'll just show you, I think this is actually third class. If I can get on with one hand up the steps. This is what third class seating looks like on a Thai train, long distance train. So they're not wooden seats, they're foam. And then we've got a little sink here with soap. In fact, we got 2 of them, and a mirror. And then we got more seats in these other carriages. And this is what second class sleeper train looks like. This has actually got a fan. I'm sure the carriage that I'm in has got aircon. It's a bit tight, a bit of a squeeze, but basically the bottom seats fold down like this top one to form a bed. Chiang Mai on our way to Bangkok, but I'll get off before then, as I said before, at Ayutthaya. So I'm sitting here on the lower berth, and there's an attending guy just making the berth up that's above me. So hopefully I'll see you in Ayutthaya with my motorbike. See you later. So this is Kuntan, this is Thailand's highest station, and we're just about to go through Thailand's longest tunnel at the moment, because it's going to be overtaken by a new one fairly soon. So we've been waiting here about 5-10 minutes for this commuter train to come through the tunnel that we'll pass through. I say it's all single track all the way from Chiang Mai, pretty much all the way to Bangkok. One of these days there are plans to dual track all the way through, but in the meantime we have to wait for trains to come the other way. We should be on our way soon. tunnel. So obviously I'm going to put the camera away as we go in the tunnel. So just arrived in Ayutthaya, and look what's here. It's my bike. I've just spent the last 10 minutes unwrapping it. It looks all in one piece with no scratches. The train was about half an hour late getting in, but as you can see here, we are in Ayutthaya, and that's the end of the video. If you like it, then give me a big thumbs up, and why not subscribe to my channel down below. Until the next video, see you later.